Hey everyone, in today's how-to video, I want to show you how to cancel your Spotify subscription, your premium subscription to Spotify. I'll start here on the desktop application, then I'll show you how to do it on Spotify.com and on mobile devices. On the Spotify app here on your desktop, you just have to be signed into your Spotify account, and right here, just press this down arrow and go to account. This is going to open up Spotify.com, so the process of doing it on the desktop app and Spotify.com is the same. On this page, go to available plans here on the left side, and here you could see your current plan, which is Spotify Premium, and you could browse other plans. And to cancel, if you come all the way down here, you could press Cancel Premium. So this all takes place on Spotify.com. If you don't have the desktop app and you're just on Spotify.com, you could log into your profile here and go to the account page this way from this dropdown, which brings you to the exact same place again to press available plan and cancel. Let's jump on the phone now. To cancel Spotify on your iPhone or your Android device, you can't use the app. You actually still have to use Spotify.com. So I'm just going to go to Safari here or whatever browser you have on your phone and go to Spotify.com. And the process from here is pretty much the same that I've shown you. Press the three lines on top here and go ahead and log in. And on this page, there is a menu bar on top. It says Account Overview. Click that and then choose Available Plans. And it will give you the same page that we saw on the computer here. So scroll all the way down here and you should see Cancel Premium. Just select that option here. And once you do cancel, it's going to drop you down to the free plan. So you still have Spotify, you just don't have the premium option once you press yes and cancel. And it's that simple to cancel Spotify on any device. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time.